can't see. Okay, if I come here, hold on. Empty apartment. Everything's gone. See that? Everything is gone. Hold on, I'm making a video. Everything is gone. Now, here's a list of things to fix in here. Brand new, $100, $99.99 Cuisinart. Okay, $99. Brand new fancy ass Cuisinart. Brand new kitchen stove. Toaster oven for $79.99 at Bed Bath & Beyond. See that? $7.99 Classic Series. Brand new dishwasher. Now, notice the instructions on top. That's for renters. That's illegal if you don't file taxes. Printer that I'm not allowed to use. TV, a router, right there. Get the serial number of that shit. Look at this place. Not much. The whole place is empty and cleared out. Now, take a look at this. Okay. All the hooks were taken down and the doorknobs taken out of this bathroom where I'm staying. Okay? Notice all the towels are gone? I don't want to be in the mirror because I look like crap.